Goat cheese is a great source of healthy fat. The serving size of full-fat goat cheese offers 6 grams of saturated fat. France is the leading consumer of butter and cheese in the world, and it does not have high rate of heart disease in comparison to other nations. The French paradox illustrates the low rate of coronary heart disease death rates in France due to the high intake of saturated fat and dietary cholesterol. Healthy fats are an essential part of diet because fat assist nutrition absorption, production of hormone, and also protects neurological health. Though the goat milk and cow milk have similar fat amount, the fat globules that are found in goat milk are small and easy to be digested. In comparison to cow's milk, goat's milk has high content of medium-chain fatty acids such as caprylic acid, capriic acid and capric acid. Due to this, the product made from goat's milk have tart flavor in comparison to cow's milk. Goat milk and cheese have caprylic acids that possess antiviral, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and antifungal properties. The consumption of caprylic acid might be helpful to counteract fungal and yeast infections such as urinary tract infection, candida, digestive problems, acne and others. Goat cheese contains carbs and less sugar. During fermentation process of cheese, the bacteria found in milk consume sugar that results fewer carbs and sugar is remained. For the minimum carbs, avoid consuming processed cheese and flavored cheese. Goat cheese and goat's milk are healthiest source of calcium. The serving size of high-quality dairy products could include goat cheese and other raw cheese offers 10% to 30% of daily needs of calcium that depends on the specific kind. Calcium is a crucial mineral that assists to build bones and maintain strong skeletal system and also supports dental health. Research shows that consumption of calcium in diet with vitamin D might be able to regulate glucose metabolism and also protects against diabetes, cancer and heart diseases. It also normalizes the levels of minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium and potassium, which maintains balance of fluids in the body and regulates heart rhythms, blood pressure, nerve and muscle function and also cholesterol levels. Fermented foods naturally grow probiotics bacteria or could be added by manufacturers to promote its concentration. Now it has become common to add probiotic bacteria strains to the cheese like yogurt because cheese is the good carrier of these microbes. As the cheese undergoes fermentation process, they have high content of probiotics such as Bifidus, Thermophilus, Acidophilus and Bulgaricus. Probiotic foods improve gut health, promote immunity and also lower allergies as well as inflammatory reactions. The probiotic content in different types of cheese varies on factors such as the amount of starter used, salt concentration, ripening time and addition of protein hydrolysate. The studies have found that the variables affect biochemical, microbiological and sensory properties of cheese. Probiotics could be optimized by adding L.acidophilus, B.lactase, salt and ripening for 70 days. Raw cheese which is aged more has high content of probiotic as it is not exposed to high heat and eliminates harmful bacteria. Goat cheese has probiotics which has more acidic and tart taste due to the content of B.lactase and L.acidophilus. Besides protein, goat cheese grants copper, phosphorus and vitamin B such as iron and vitamin B6. The combination of iron, calcium and protein also supports formation of bones and assist the absorption of minerals. The serving size of 1 ounce of goat cheese offers 10% to 20% of daily requirement of copper. Adequate amount of copper is essential to maintain high level of energy because copper acts as a stimulant in lowering molecular oxygen to water, which is a chemical reaction that exists then ATP is synthesized. Being the third most prevalent mineral in the body, it plays a vital role in maintaining skeletal health, production of hormones and also the production of hemoglobin and red blood cells. Human body has phosphorus as the second most abundant element. It supports metabolism, controls muscle contractions and synthesizes major macronutrients from diets such as fats, protein and carbohydrates. Goat cheese is helpful for those who are sensitive to dairy. It is a perfect choice for those who are not able to digest cow's milk due to the different chemical structure. It is believed that goat cheese could be consumed safely by those who are allergic to cow's milk. It is due to low content of lactose in goat's milk in comparison to cow milk. Lactose is responsible for not being able to digest dairy very well. It is the reason that goat cheese is easier to be digested than cow's milk. 2-casein found in goat milk is less likely to be inflammatory and cause intolerance. The chemical composition found in goat's milk closely resembles human breast milk. Goat cheese provides protein and fat that is able to control hunger as it is satiating. Beside its great taste, goat cheese should be consumed in order to feel satisfied and helps to lower the chances of overeating in the long run. Instead of cutting down calories, processed cheese and low-fat, weight loss experts recommend to consume full-fat and high-quality cheese by watching the portion size.